Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the minimum deposit for Regions Bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why does the minimum deposit matter? Think about it. When you're opening a bank account, you're essentially establishing a financial relationship with the bank. The minimum deposit is like a handshake, a way of saying, hey, I'm here to do business with you, and I'm serious about it. So, what is the minimum deposit for Regions Bank? Well, the answer is a little bit complicated because it depends on the type of account you're opening. For example, the minimum deposit for a checking account is different from the minimum deposit for a savings account. But don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Here's a quick overview of the minimum deposit requirements for some of the most popular Regions Bank accounts. Checking accounts. The minimum deposit for a Regions Bank checking account is $25. However, there are some special checking accounts that require a higher minimum deposit, such as the Regions Select checking account, which requires a minimum deposit of $2,500. Savings accounts. The minimum deposit for a Regions Bank savings account is $1. However, there are some special savings accounts that require a higher minimum deposit, such as the Regions Premier Money Market account, which requires a minimum deposit of $10,000. Certificates of deposit, CDs. The minimum deposit for a Regions Bank CD varies depending on the term of the CD. For example, the minimum deposit for a 6-month CD is $500, while the minimum deposit for a 5-year CD is $1,000. So, now that you know the minimum deposit requirements, how do you choose the right account for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for an account to use for everyday banking, then a checking account is probably the best option. If you're looking to save money for a specific goal, then a savings account or CD might be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to choose a Regions Bank account is to talk to a banker or financial advisor. They can help you understand the different account options and choose the one that's right for you. In addition to the minimum deposit requirements, there are a few other things to keep in mind when choosing a Regions Bank account. These include fees. Regions Bank offers a variety of checking and savings accounts with different fees. Be sure to compare the fees for different accounts before you choose one. Interest rates. If you're opening a savings account or CD, you'll want to choose an account with a competitive interest rate. Other features. Some Regions Bank accounts offer additional features, such as overdraft protection, mobile banking, and online bill pay. Be sure to consider these features when choosing an account. Now that you know all about the minimum deposit for Regions Bank, you're ready to make a decision about which account is right for you. I hope this information has been helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.